human-wildlife conflict, then we will end up with zero at the end of the day.
It is important to note that life on Earth is interconnected, and every species has a role within the ecosystem.
What would you like to see most? 99% will start by saying, I want to see lions.
Looking or taking care of those animals is the key thing. So if I don't take a good care of the animals, who will?
We don't want them to face extinction. We are trying to preserve the species because of the future coming generation.
Je savais qu'ils allaient mourir. J'avais peut-être la possibilité de les sauver, mais tu sais qu'il fallait surtout pas le faire.
In this case, that's why we're trying to find a solution of how to do it.
Le rhinocéros est l'espèce la plus braconnée en Afrique ces 10 dernières années. Tout ça pourquoi? Pour leurs cornes.
Comment nous, les humains, avons pu arriver à pratiquement l'extinction de cette espèce?
Si on casse un maillon de cette chaîne-là, l'équilibre ne sera plus respecté.
Every species counts.
If there's nothing to mitigate human-wildlife conflict, then we will end up with zero at the end of the day.